Jacqueline.
My name is Claire.
My name is Evangeline.
My name is Miku.
I hope the trip goes well for the whole entire camp.
And we make memories and have fun. Bye.
Today, I'm with Preston and Joshua, and we're from the school of SPH Fluid Village. There's an apple factory in Malang, and we're going to be reviewing the process of making the apple tea.
So basically, first we sorted apples. We sorted the good ones from the bad, and after that, we went through the process of washing the apples, and then we chopped the apples into like strips, and then we packaged apple tea.
So this is day 2 of us being in Malang, and right now we're at the beach. So just now we actually went to a mangrove forest and I planted a mangrove tree. It was really fun because like I really love nature, and the nature gives us oxygen to breathe, you know, to like breathe out carbon dioxide, and I just love nature. I love greens. I love vegetables. I love everything about Mother Nature. Mother Nature, I love you.
So after we did the mangrove planting, we actually went canoeing in this beach. So there were like tons of canoes that we could go on to, like in 2s or 3s. And then what I really appreciate about this whole experience is that we were able to experience being out in the ocean, like not just swimming on the shallows, but actually going deep into the coves and going near the rocks and just feeling the waves, like when you're canoeing past them. Because honestly, I've never done something like this before, so it was really good to experience a canoeing dream such as this one.
So after this, we're gonna go snorkeling. What do you think of it, Ali?
I think I'm excited. What about you?
I'm so excited. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Bye.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Aelke, saya Undinda. Terima kasih banyak ya untuk belajarnya kakak-kakak di sini. Sehat-sehat ya. Nanti sering-sering ke sini ya. Bye-bye.
We also make footwear, sandals, and we also use materials to cover all of the sandals. And we also put styrofoam as like the rope to assemble all of the materials in the sandal.
Finally, this journey is like over. For this past 4 days, we have like so much fun and we learned so many important lessons.
Thank you, SPH, for taking us on this journey. We hope that the school keeps on succeeding and expands further. Bye-bye.